BMW has introduced the BMW M 1000RR Limited Edition Isle of Man TT, a highly exclusive special model created to celebrate the 115th running of the Isle of Man Tourist Trophy in 2026. Limited to just 115 units, the motorcycle is based on the BMW M 1000RRM competition and is positioned as both a performance machine and a collector's item. The bike's visual identity is centered on British racing green Unimatte paintwork and dedicated Isle of Man TT graphics. BMW uses selected sections of the TT mountain course as design elements, with left-hand turns shown on the left fairing and right-hand turns on the right fairing. Additional edition-specific details include a Matte M carbon airbox cover with mountain course graphics and TT logo, an aluminium tank painted in satin chrome with tapes, TT branding on the rear frame, a black Alcantara seat, and a black swing arm. Each motorcycle also receives milled sequential numbering on the top yoke and a certificate of authenticity, reinforcing its limited production status. Technically, the limited edition is based on the BMW M 1000RR with the M competition package, excluding the pillion package. Its listed equipment includes the M race cover kit, rear work stand, assembly stand mounting, and an M motorcycle mat measuring 250 by 105 centimeters with both M and TT logos.